Hello and welcome. In today's video, I'll show you how to disable notifications in the Shazam app on your Android phone. If you're tired of constant alerts and pop-ups from Shazam, this step-by-step guide will help you turn them off easily in just a few taps. Let's get started now. First, open the Shazam app on your Android device. Once the app opens, tap on the library icon located at the top left corner. Inside the Library section, tap the Settings icon. Scroll down through the Settings menu until you find the option labeled Manage Notifications. Tap on Manage Notifications to open the notification settings for Shazam. Finally, toggle off the switch next to Allow Notifications. This will completely disable all notifications from the Shazam app. That's it. You've now disabled notifications in the Shazam app on your Android phone. If you found this video helpful, consider liking and subscribing for more simple Android tutorials. See you soon!